Stop scrolling if you're tired of debt controlling your life. I've paid off over 120k worth of debt and I'm debt free, including my home. I'm about to show you the exact method that I used to finally break free. Keep watching. I used the debt snowball method to clear over 120k of debt. So step 1, you need to list all of your debts from low to high. So in this example, we've got 3 credit cards, a car payment and a personal loan, and we're going to list the debt balance from lowest to highest. Step 2, you're going to list the minimum payments. So here we've got all the minimum payments of what we owe on each of those items. Step 3, you're going to list any additional amount of money that you can throw at your debt in order to help clear it quicker. For example, if you've done a side hustle and you've earned an extra £200 per month from it, or if you've gone through your bank statement and you found payments or subscriptions that you've cancelled for things that you no longer use, you take that money and then you add that to the minimum payment of what you owe. Step 4, you're going to add your minimum payment plus your additional payments together. So for example, for credit card 1, we are going to take the £10 minimum payment plus the £200 extra additional payment, and we're going to add those two together. So that means that you're paying off £210 per month off of this first credit card, which means that you're going to clear that debt in 1 month. Step 5, you're going to roll over the minimum payment to the next debt. Let me explain. As we did before in the previous step, you're going to have your £20 minimum payment plus your additional £200 payment. So you're going to add those two together. However, we've now finished paying off credit card 1, so we no longer have that minimum payment. What most people do is they're like, oh, I've got £10 extra that I can go and spend. No, you're going to be strategic and you are going to add that £10 extra onto the already £200 plus £20 that you're spending. So you've got £20 plus 200 plus the £10 that you were paying before that you've now paid off. You're going to add that together. So now you've got £230 to pay off. So this £1,000 debt balance will be cleared in 5 months. And what you're going to do is keep following that same principle all the way down. So for credit card 3, you've got your £25 minimum payment plus your £200 additional payment plus the £10 minimum payment from the credit card 1 that you finished paying off plus the £20 minimum payment for credit card 2 that you finished paying off. So your total payment is £255. So this is only going to take you 5 months to clear off the 3rd credit card. And you keep doing this until you've cleared off all of your debts. This means that you can be debt-free in just 27 months, and that's 5 debts that you've got cleared off and paid off. If you make or save any extra additional income, just keep adding this to the debt snowball. All this means is that you're just going to pay off your debts even faster. I want you to save this video and like and follow for more tips to help you get out of debt and save money.